How to fix SOS on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, and the most effective fix, simply swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, go ahead and enable airplane mode for 10 to 15 seconds and then disable it again, and this will refresh your network connection. Next, you can try to go ahead and restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. Also, make sure to check your mobile network coverage. So, if your network is poor, you can try to move to an open area and ask if other phones on the same network have signal. And if yes, then it could be your phone's problem, and if no, then it could be your carrier issue problem. You can also try to simply remove the SIM card from your iPhone and clean the SIM card tray gently and then reinsert the SIM properly and see if that helps in fixing your issue. If not, then go back and open settings and then tap on cellular and then tap on network selection option there. Simply go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for automatic and wait and then select your carrier manually. You can then go ahead and check your carrier update. So in settings again, tap on general and then on about and wait for 10 seconds. If an update pops up for carrier, then you can try to update the carrier service. Next, in settings again, tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset and then on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings, and this will give your network settings a fresh restart. Now, in general again, tap on software update and make sure that you are using the latest version of iOS, and if not, then update your iPhone, as this helps in fixing minor bugs on your iPhone and helps in fixing SOS bugs too. See if that helps, and if not, then if you have enabled VPN, then simply disable VPN for the time being, as VPNs can block cellular connection. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then it could be because your account has been suspended by the carrier service due to unpaid bill. So see if that helps in fixing your issue, and these were a few fixes on how you can fix SOS on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.